for subscribing, guys. At 600 subscribers, K-pop dance stream. Baekhyun's Bambi, which is definitely gonna be my 21 songs of 2021. If you guys are ready for that, I don't know if you guys are ready for that. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Kep1er. Now, I've watched Girls Planet 999. My fave is Hikaru. I think our fave is Hikaru and Hejin. So, and she already has some stuff to say about it, so I don't know what to expect. Wadada. Why that title? Not sure, but let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. English on? Oh wait, you can't see it. Hey, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, there we go. 4K, y'all. Ooh, I like the beginning. Whoa. Already off beat with an upbeat kind of fire. The beginning is pretty magical. I like that with the whole effects. They're looking into space. Like, ooh, okay, let's go. Ooh, interesting. Outfit's on point too. Oh, she killing that ish though. Nice trends. What was that? What the fuck? Hello? You saw that? Okay, let's go, queen. Oh! Okay, a little body roll up in there. Let's get it. Queen. Wait, those Rice Krispie treats? I'm so sorry. I just realized it just said what ... I was like, I thought it was just that's the title. Damn. Okay, wait, hold up. Reverse it so I can actually take this in more better. Ooh. Thinking about this live might be the beat will hit hard. Ooh, especially with that move too. The little I don't know, I didn't know justice. It's the, for me, like, that move. What sound are they making? I thought it was a heart at first. Okay, he got on. Wait, that's it? Wait. hold on. Okay. Oh, she's slaying too. She got a sharp show. I can see this like on a live stage, like the that shit's gonna hit my chest. I could already tell. If you can't even already tell from that beat itself. Such an interesting name. Okay, let's get it. Let's get the middle. And then straight to this. Wait, what is that? Bahi did her thing, yeah. What is this? Am I missing something? Did I miss something? Like from watching the show? Cause they're going like this, right? Like more into it, like the lore of this. They're cute. That's so interesting. Oh, like in the song of the oh, okay, got you, Chad. Thank you. Oh, I like how that came in. I like how she came in through like that. I wonder what they're. Whoa. this is pretty. It does already sound kind of catchy though. I wasn't sure about Wadada, but now that I hear it, like after like the ending of the chorus. Oh, they look mad cute. Hey, oh shoot! Thank you for subscribing. 13 months. Oh, yeah, it's pretty catchy, that part. I can see. I don't know if anybody else has a different opinion, which I'm pretty sure they do. This part always threw me off, but I kind of like it now. That's cute. So literally, let's go Eugen. Ooh, okay, and slay, and slay, and slay, and slay. I want more Hikaru. That's the only thing.
Yeah, I feel like the rap that they gave her.
I mean, it was chill.
It was like.
It was the part where she was in right here.
2.
Yeah. I'm gonna check out Mask and Shine next. Wish Hikaru would have more lines.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Okay. Can you guys hear? Yeah, we good. Okay. Sorry.
Are you sure? Are you serious?
No, you gotta listen to the harmonies, bruh.
Something's wrong with my headphones.
Huh?
Something's wrong with my headphones.
Oh, is there something wrong?
I don't know. It goes in and out. That's why I was like, couldn't hear it. Okay.
Okay,
That's better. Oh, that was nice. What was that? Oh, I would have loved to see how this is gonna be. Very nice, like talking. Let's go. You hit different with platinum hair now. It's already beautiful, but like. Oh, this do hit different than the title track, yeah. This is dope. Look at the harmonies too.
I'm sipping on soju.
That was cool. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.